Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a predictable workspace. Open Excel, enable the ribbon and quick access tools, and set normal view so nothing hides. Once done, paste or import raw data into a blank sheet, then convert that range to a table with Control plus T so filters and structured references are available. Make sure columns have clear headers and consistent data types. If numbers import as text, use text to columns or value to coerce them. This immediate setup prevents problems later on. Now focus on transforming and connecting the data. Use flash fill for patterns and text to columns to split fields, while trim and clean remove stray spaces or characters. For calculations and joins, choose XLOOKUP if available, otherwise combine index and match. Use countifs and sumifs for conditional counts and sums. Once formulas work, convert volatile logic into helper columns and lock references with $signs so copying remains stable. Periodically recalc and inspect sample rows to validate results. Finish by summarizing and safeguarding your work. Create pivot tables and clean charts for quick insights, apply conditional formatting to highlight exceptions, and add a short notes sheet explaining key logic. Once done, protect critical sheets and save a version backup so you can roll back mistakes. If something breaks, first check cell formats and inconsistent types, then use Evaluate Formula and Trace Dependents to locate the issue. Make sure calculations are set to automatic and refresh data connections before final delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.